Though his hands were blistered and his arms ached, he tenaciously held on to the ledge and his life. Does tenaciously mean not caring, persistently, slowly, or intelligently? This sentence uses clues of information. The sentence tells us that his hands were blistered and his arms ached. Usually when someone's hands are blistering and his arms are aching, he will let go of what he's holding on to. But the sentence tells us that he held on to the ledge and his life, indicating to us that tenaciously must mean determinedly or relentlessly. Let's take a look at our choices and pick the one that best matches our definition. Not caring is the opposite of what we're looking for and can be marked off. Persistently seems to match with our definition, but let's go on just in case. Slowly does not fit with our definition nor with our sentence, and neither does intelligently. Therefore, we can mark B, persistently, as our final answer.